Let's pick our theme. You might have noticed that this looks very minimal, and that's actually name of the theme. So Bob's first website has theme minimal, and it looks like this, our minimal theme, but there are many more themes that you can choose from. So we sent you this link when you on board, and here you can have a look through all of these themes and let us know which one you like, right? So this is a third-party website where we get our themes from. They're in a good format for us to integrate them with our system, right? So you can have look at certain themes by tag. If you want a blog, you can filter by blog, or if you want it very responsive, minimal, personal, light, dark, multilingual, landing, dark mode, docs, all of these things, right? Whatever you want, you choose your theme and you let us know. Just send us a personal message what you would like to have, and then we will make sure that we enable this for your website, right? So we might need some time to integrate your preferred theme with our system, but we're going to have it done very soon after you let us know which one you like, and then we will enable that for you, right? And we can also provide you with custom themes. Like if you look through all of these themes and you decide, I'd rather want something different, maybe you have already something in mind for your website, then we can certainly also look into creating a custom theme for you. If you are a non-paying beta tester, then only within reason, because we don't have the capacity. But if you are paying subscriber to the all-inclusive offer, then certainly we will have that done right away. You can explain to our designers how you want your website to look, and then we would do that for you without extra charge, right? Because that's what you're paying for in the all-inclusive offer, is also the design of your choice, exactly how you want it, right? So, but whatever the case may be, we're always open. I'm always open. Just send me a message what you would like to have, and I will see what I can do to make it possible, because we want you to have a great experience with the website and have your viewers, the website viewers, have a great experience. So we want to have a theme for you that looks good. So just let us know what you would like to have, and the more themes we integrate with our system, the more other people can also use those same themes by simply using this drop down value, right? Or by just typing it in here. Yeah, if you tell you a certain theme is available, then we can also type that in here and enable it. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'm very curious to know which of these themes you would like to have enabled, right? Looking forward to it. Cheers!